Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am so glad that you stopped by for a little second while I craft. To all of my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. To everyone that stops by, thanks for stopping by. I'm so glad to see you here. I'm still working on ephemera for my fall journal. So I'm still working on the fall journal, still putting together the ephemera to go in the fall journal. And I had decided that I think I'm going to go with the smaller one. So I put it all together. I'm getting ready to make the pages to go inside and get it all going. So I'm still working on the fall journal. Needed some more ephemera, so I have a couple of more things to make. But I was looking through my stash and I found these magnetic bookmarks from Jot from the Dollar Tree. And I said, okay, what can I make with those? So I started playing around with them and I made this little magnet here that I'm going to use in my journal. So it just opens up and you can just put it on things. On the pages. I could put it on the pages, or I could put it on a pocket, or I could put it anywhere I want to put it, but I got to get it from this form to something else. So what I did was, I did one, so you can see that one. So it looks like this. Let me get it on here. It looks like this. And all the easiest thing that I could do to think of it, to get it going, was to take some glue, if I can get this glue out. And I've been trying to get all of my ephemera done so I can actually start working on the pages and getting the pages in the book, sewn in the book, and decorated so I can start using it. And so I usually use my journals for like 3 months. They're usually only 3-month affairs that I use for 3 months. And then I make something else. And I make another one so that I can use it. And so I'm just going to put this on here like this. Smooth it down. Now if you get these, you can do whatever you want with them. You can also use them this way. These are the two that I wanted to, I think I want to save those two and use them the way they are. But I kind of like changing. You know, when you go to the Dollar Tree or you go anywhere, and like we crafters always do, we always look at something and go, what else can that be? So once it's on there, it looks like this, and all I'm going to do is cut around it. So I'm going to cut around it so I can use it for my purposes and decorate it the way I want to use it. So, there you have it. Hear that snap? Still working good. So, then what I want to do is I want this one to go this way. I have the scarecrow. So, I'm probably going to use this on a pocket or something like that. So, I have the scarecrow. And he's a sticker from the Dollar Tree. So you have your Dollar Tree stickers and all the stuff that you have from Dollar Tree and other places. So I just want to put him on here. And there I have a new altered magnet. And I didn't have to do much to alter him. So what I'm going to have to do later on is, you know, I probably need to put some, I'm probably going to, for the ones that stick off like this, I'm probably going to put like some cardboard or something on the back of it, because it's still kind of sticky, to get it to work for me. So let's try another one. Let's try another one. So I think these will be just really nice to have for your journals and other things that you have that you're working on. So I usually just want to make 4 of everything. So I just want 4 of everything. So I have this one. I already made. So let's just put the pumpkins on this one. So I got the pumpkins on that one, like that. So I want this one. I'm gonna put, because it's a fall journal, so I'm gonna have to play around with it a little bit. I hate when I can't get my glue out. And you can't get the glue out. So you can't get the glue out and everything like that. But I've been doing pretty good. And if you watch my last video, and I saw in the Ollie's paper, the little thing that came out, that the lighting from the Cricut lights are it's advertised that they're gonna have them. So maybe your Cricut, your place could have the Cricut light. What do you think of my lighting? Does it look any better? Because I've added my Cricut lighting to my desk here, so I'm hoping everything looks nice and bright. So let me know if you think the lighting helped out or if it still looks the same as usual. It's a nice light though. It's really nice and it's pretty bright and everything, and I like it. I can remember back when they first came on, I think they were about $150 when they first came out. I saw it in Joann's. I was like, haha, I'm not paying $150 for a light just to put on my desk. And a friend of mine had bought because there were two of them. There was one that fit on the desk and there was one that fit on the floor. And I think she had bought the desk one too. And I knew someone who bought the floor one. And I think the floor one, when it came on, it was like $100 and maybe $200 or so. Because I was like, Cricut, come on now. No light is worth that. And the light's pretty good. It you can make it bright, you can make it light, you can make it a dim. It has like, settings where you can, have settings for it. So like it has settings for a bright light or a dim light or, whatever. So it has that. That looks good. That looks good. So they're coming out pretty good. So if you see these at your Dollar Tree and you want to make something with it and use it, get those. Get that. So this one has the pumpkin things all over it. I think I want that. Or do I want one that says, maybe I want this one. I want this to be pumpkin patch. Pumpkin patch. I like that. I like that. I think I'm going to cut its feet off though. Cut that off. So I won't have to worry about that. So there they are. I made 4 of them. My little magnets. Made from the Dollar Tree magnetic bookmarks. Let me know what you think, and if you would help me out if you would give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're not a subscriber, press that subscribe button and subscribe. I'd love to have you here, and I think I really want to have you here, so when I finish my journal, you can tell me what you think of all the ephemera I made for it and how it fits inside. So come back and do that. So press the subscribe button, press the bell so you'll know when I put up my next video. Tell me what you think of the magnetic bookmarks, because that's pretty good. And I didn't have to do my own magnets and all that stuff. So that worked out pretty good. And I think they're pretty cute. They'll make good page markers. So thank you for tuning in. Don't forget, self-care is not selfish, so take care of yourselves. Also, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.